Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe, a true game changer that combines Jeep's legendary off-road capability with modern plug-in hybrid technology. Let's dive right in. Right from the start, the 2025 Wrangler 4xe grabs your attention with its unmistakable, rugged design that fans have come to love. Jeep has kept that iconic boxy silhouette and 7-slot grille, but there are some modern twists that set it apart. The LED headlights and redesigned front fascia give it a sharper look, while subtle design cues hint at its electrified nature. Whether you're tackling a rocky trail or navigating urban streets, the Wrangler 4xe's bold stance tells you that it's built for adventure and ready for the future. Under the hood, the real magic happens. The 4xe powertrain pairs a turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric motor and a high-capacity battery pack. This combination not only delivers impressive off-road torque but also offers a smooth, efficient drive in everyday conditions. You get the best of both worlds, a traditional Jeep engine's raw power, combined with instant torque from the electric motor. This dual setup provides an exhilarating 0 to 60 miles per hour time that's competitive with conventional muscle SUVs, yet it also boosts your fuel economy and reduces emissions. The advanced regenerative braking system recaptures energy during deceleration, adding to the vehicle's efficiency, especially on those stop-and-go trails. Now, let's step inside. The cabin of the 2025 Wrangler 4xe is designed with both durability and modern comfort in mind. While the rugged exterior is unmistakable, the interior has seen a welcome upgrade. You'll find high-quality materials that are built to withstand the elements, yet still offer a refined look. The seats are supportive, with plenty of adjustments to keep you comfortable whether you're off-roading or on a long highway cruise. The layout is driver-centric, featuring a well-organized dashboard with a digital instrument cluster that displays everything from battery charge to fuel economy and performance metrics in real time. Central to the interior is the new infotainment system, housed in a large touchscreen that's intuitive and responsive. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, you can easily connect your smartphone to access navigation, music, and more without taking your eyes off the road. Additional features like a premium sound system, climate control, and multiple USB ports add convenience to every drive. And for those who want a bit more connectivity, there are options for over-the-air updates, ensuring your Wrangler 4xe is always equipped with the latest software and improvements. When it comes to technology and safety, the 2025 Wrangler 4xe doesn't disappoint. It comes loaded with a suite of advanced driver assistance features, think adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and forward collision alert with automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to provide a higher level of confidence, whether you're deep in the wilderness or navigating busy highways. Plus, the integration of electric power doesn't just boost performance, it also contributes to a quieter, more refined ride in low-speed conditions. One of the most exciting aspects of the Wrangler 4xe is its versatility. With its plug-in hybrid powertrain, you can choose to drive in full electric mode for short trips around town, enjoying near-silent operation and zero tailpipe emissions, or you can switch to hybrid mode for extended adventures off the beaten path. This flexibility is ideal for drivers who want to minimize their environmental footprint without sacrificing the capability and rugged charm that only a Jeep can deliver. Now, let's talk about the expected price. Early estimates suggest that the 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe will start at around $55,000. This competitive price point reflects the advanced hybrid technology, iconic design, and enhanced off-road capabilities, making it an attractive option for those looking to embrace the future of off-road driving without compromising on Jeep's storied legacy. In summary, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe stands out as a perfect blend of classic Jeep toughness and modern electric efficiency. It offers robust performance on and off the road, a refined yet rugged interior, and an impressive suite of technology and safety features, all wrapped in that unmistakable Jeep design. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast looking to reduce your carbon footprint or someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology combined with legendary capability, the Wrangler 4xe is built to deliver. Thanks for watching this review of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. If you enjoyed the video and found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What feature of the new 4xe excites you the most? Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.